UC STEM Fest right now. Thank you so much to our sponsors and partners, Caltrans, MESA, the UC Systems. So we're here at our STEM Fest, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. We have over 70 stations full of all things STEM, and everything you see here is hands-on.
We know that students' exposure early to STEM opportunities and awareness makes a profound difference. Our state needs to create the next generation of STEM scholars, and it begins right here by giving them exposure and opportunity at our UC STEM Fest.
Like those people with nothing, and it blows the wind, and then if that's connected to like these power things and power stations, then those exactly like this are connected to cables which connect to
So many cool exhibits here, whether it's the drone machines over there, students working hands-on and building their own cars. This is a place where everybody can find something to help them explore.
It's important because you can't be what you can't see. And students need to be able to see themselves in these careers and STEM disciplines and be able to touch it and feel it. And it's certainly important in California as our demographics are changing. More black and brown kids are entering the school system. They got to have career paths, and we need to make.
So we're excited that we were able to partner with STEM Global Action to bring this community event here in the Sacramento region. And this is a great way for the other UCs to learn about how we were able to bring it to fruition, and we're the second campus here to host it. So the first one was UCLA, we're the second one here at UC Davis, and so we're kind of laying the path work, the groundwork for our other partners and colleagues to bring it to the other UCs, and that's what we're hoping to do. So we need to get our word out, our name, our MESA, the STEM Global Action, the STEM Fest, the whole shabam actually, so they can know what all the great things we're doing here in California.
The reason why this is important here is because our students are preparing to be tomorrow's scientists, engineers, mathematicians. So science, technology, engineering, arts, and math is what we are all about. This is a regional initiative to close the African American achievement gap by getting kids ready for college starting in preschool.
Programs like MESA, I came up through programs like MEP, our minority engineering program, different things that allowed me to see the opportunities or possibilities that I can have. The ability to see students at very young ages, students that may be having trouble in school, teachers may not know how to speak to them or talk to them, seeing what they're doing at the tables, seeing what they're able to do by touching, and understanding that the mind works very differently.
You got it, man. Go ahead. You good, man.
You'll act as a keyboard.